Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a painting, and this painting is a foil painting again. So we need a black sheet and a stencil that you already made, and a marker and a knife too. And you have to be careful with the knife. So I will take the marker and underline. So guys, I'm done outlining. It will be hard to see from the camera, but it's easy for me to see. So now I will start cutting, but and kids, you have to be really easy with this because it's really sharp. Cutting, and I cut a little bit of the edges, and here's the scraps. So try to take out this. Okay, I took out my unicorn now. This is how it looks like right now, and this is the unicorn shape I got from here. So now after this, we'll take some foil of the sheet. So this was two, but I cut one out and I already put one over here. So now we'll do the next stuff. We'll take this things that I cut out, and it fits right good over here. So guys, you could get a frame, and then you could like put it here. And you have kids, if you're doing this, careful with the glass because it will be a little bit heavy for you guys. Now I'll put this part. Close this part. So guys, this is how my unicorn looks like. Hope you like my video. Subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon. Until then, bye guys.